pretty bird. Yeah, yeah. She's a pretty bird, huh? Woohoo! Are you excited? Yeah, she's combined with that beak. Yeah, look at you go. You are something.
I think Leo wants a room someplace.
I think so.
Come on, Leo.
Like, wow, I got a girlfriend. I got a girlfriend.
Come on,
She's
Leo.
pretty.
Leo.
Say hello.
Leo.
Can you wave? Can you wave? Say hello to everybody. He's like, no, I'm so excited. Say hello. Hello? Here. Hello? Hi.
Look at the feet on Leo, hon.
What?
Look at the feet on Leo.
Go, baby. Go, baby.
She really gets you on. Right,
You're
Leo?
nice. You're nice. Look at her. You got her being silly, too. Yeah, she's talking to you.
You know what she's saying? I know.
What's she saying? Yeah? I love you. Say I love you.
Get her, Leo.
Tell
Get her.
I love you. She's cute. She is cute. Look at her go. Yeah, see? Leo. Woo, you show off you. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh.
Happy